these are the items I'll be unboxing today. I have my box. Yes. All right. Yay. Hang on. Here we go. Sorry. Either. There we go. Some Paul. You hear that sound? Woohoo! I love the sound of the popping. There we go. Okay, so I put it in here and take them out one at a time. Okay. Hear that sound? I love the ASMR sound. What is this? I think this is what I have. I have in my hand here. Yeah, it is. Okay. There it is. See how big it is. So this is the cover. Is the stove cover. There we go. It's pretty big. Right? It's big. I like to put them over there so you can see it. Yeah. So that's one. I'm sweating. Sweating. Okay, so that's one. And the items, okay. And then we have this. Let me tell you what this is. So this is the tub liner, right? So if you want to like lie in your bath, but I don't know, my bath is clean, right? I wash them, it's clean, but I think I just can't. I just feel like I don't know what insects crawl. My fears. My fears make it difficult for me to just go in there and lie down like that, okay? Or it's going to require for me to do a lot of work to prepare the bath. And then I got these not only because I want to be in a clean bath, but I also got this because when I'm finished with the bath, I don't want to have caused too much of a mess either. Does that make sense? Yeah. So they're bath liners. Bath liners. See, it has the corners, you know. So you put it in the bath, and then you hear that song. You put it in the bath, and then you go ahead and have a nice bath. Yeah. I also got a bath mat. And I got the clear one. I almost got the black one, but I changed my mind because I like to see what's going on in my bathroom. I like to have clear things or white things, things that make me see, like if there's a creepy crawly in there or whatever. Because I feel like the bathroom is it's such an intimate place. It's a place where you do such intimate things that you don't want surprises. If you can avoid surprises, then if I can avoid surprises in there, then I will. You know what I mean? So that's why I like light colors, because to be honest with you, I like dark colors generally speaking. Like if my room could be black and like things, I like dark colors and earth colors. You know? I like the sound of it. I am making an absolute mess here. There's. I think I got it. Ooh, you hear the popping? I love that sound. Yeah, baby. I love the sound of unwrapping. Listen to this. I love that sound. And it has this at the back, so it's suction. It has suction at the back. Can you see? Yeah. So and it has holes. It's the ventilation. It has the holes in it. So I really like it. I really like it. Yeah. And I got these earbuds as well, because sometimes the cord on my headphone doesn't work. So I got these earbuds. These days, I'll have the best set ever for this. I like the package. Isn't the packaging cute? Hang on. All right, let's open this. That's the first one. So, the light fell. I didn't realize it fell. Okay. So here we are. That's the first one. What it looks like. We're almost done because that knocking is getting to me. And then another one. And another one. So we have there are 3 of them that we have. We got 3 of them. One blue. Oh, it's not 3, it's 4. It's not how many? I'm not sure. 3. It's 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 of them. And then we have the whites. And we have the green. Yeah. The green. So these are the headphones. Okay. At test, I'm going to use them out, but you know. how they fare. Ah, no. On to the most exciting for me part of this haul. And the reason the haul exists in the first place is this is really the last thing I opened. It was a real purpose for why I placed this order. I really just went to get that and end up getting the rest of the things. Yes, baby. Okay. Okay, so this, oh my gosh, I've been wanting, when I was young and growing up, there are a couple of things that I wanted in my house that I would see in, different spaces. I'm like, yeah. And the map and a globe were two of the most important things. And I don't know why it have taken me so long to get it. Because, let me tell you what it is. Sometimes we forget we forget parts of our dream. Because of, we start living and life starts happening, and we sometimes forget the childhood dreams or the different features of our childhood dream, but it all comes back to us eventually. It comes back to you, it comes back to you, so don't worry. This is a little difficult to get off. Yes, that's one. And I'm not going to use the scissors because I don't want to damage it. So, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You know that song? Aye. It's coming. It's just pretty tight. And I don't think I have the strongest nails or enough nails. My nails are short, and I like them short. There we go. Wow. It's actually two of them. Oh, you can see it. You can see that it's two of them. There we go. Yeah, that's one. That's one. And then there's another. That's two. Now, for my favorite item, in this haul, the globe. The globe is my favorite. Okay, so this is my favorite part of the haul, of today's haul. There we go. I wanted a globe. They had different types that I really like, but because it's not really for education purposes, it's just for my personal use, I took this one. I thought this one would suffice, So this is the one I got. This is what came to my mind just now. I heard myself say to myself in my mind. And should I ever have a child, then I'll get the other one that's more interactive. Listen, God's will be done. God's will be done. Okay. God's will be done. Okay, so All right. This is a nice size. Oh wow, I thought it was smaller than that. I love this because I was very concerned. I wonder if it's too small. I wonder if it's too small. But this is a nice size globe. Look at this. Oops. This is a nice size globe. Oh wow, and I can read it too. It's very legible. Wow, I love it. Oh wow, I love it. I love it. I love it. Let's put this on. Oops, I love it. I'm trying to screw this on. This is I love it. Perfect size. Perfect for me. This is perfect. Look at that. Australia, the Indian Ocean. Can you see? Let me find my country. Where is my country? Amazon. Oh my gosh. Seriously, Amazon? Okay, my country is somewhere here. Is it? Do I know where my country is on the map? Somebody really needed this. Sorry. There we go, Jamaica. Can you see? Can you see? We're right there. Can you see us? Can you see us? Wow, I loved this haul. So this is our haul for today. I love to open new packages. I want to give you the latest information on top funding opportunities for entrepreneurs who are seeking funding. Come along with me. I'm Coach Racquel, and this is a passion project for me. So I am so happy to bring this to you. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for watching.